This week, we will be learning about two-dimensional figures. The TEKs that we will focus on are 2.2e, 2.2f, and 2.7b. The objective is to be able to sort polygons based on a number of sides and number of vertices, and to be able to create a shape when given the number of sides and vertices. Let's take a look. So as we are learning about two-dimensional figures, important things that we need to know are attributes. Attributes describe the figure or shape. So we will begin with vertices. Vertices, when there are only one, you call it a vertex. It is the point where two or more lines meet. So I'm going to point out the vertices on this square. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Another attribute that's important are the sides. A side is a line segment that forms a shape on a two-dimensional figure. So we're going to count the sides of this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This shape is a hexagon because it has 6 sides. So attributes are very important because they help you determine the two-dimensional figures. Now we will learn about polygons. Polygons are closed two-dimensional figures with 3 or more straight sides. I'm going to show you some examples of polygons. A pentagon, a triangle, a square, a rhombus, a rectangle are all examples of polygons. Non-examples of polygons. I have some 3D figures that are not examples of polygons because they are not two-dimensional. We also have a circle, which is two-dimensional, but it does not have 3 or more straight sides. So it is considered a non-example of polygon. Then we have a rectangle, but it is not closed. So for that reason, it is also a non-example of a polygon. Now, let's look at some of the vocabulary you will be working with this week. Attributes are characteristics, properties, or features that describe a shape. Classify is to arrange into groups based on one or more attributes. Polygon, a closed two-dimensional shape made of straight lines. And here you have a graphic of other examples of polygons. A quadrilateral is a closed two-dimensional shape formed by joining 4 straight sides. Side, a line segment that forms a shape on a two-dimensional figure. And vertex or vertices, a point where 2 or more lines meet.